How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. So if you encounter a situation or problem like this, like your marketplace is not working well, probably these are the reasons. Okay, so Facebook Marketplace is available in more than 70 countries. You must be in a nation where it is operational in order to use it. Also, Facebook account block if you have break any rules or if you violate some guidelines. But if you haven't done anything against to their community policies, then what you want to do is to simply ask for a help or report a problem. So to do that, you just have to simply tap your profile and look for these three lines, or you can just simply scroll down and look for help and support. Now, under help and support, you will see there report a problem. So all you have to do is to tap it one. Okay, so you can tap OK. You can shake before sending, or you can just simply turn this one off. Okay, so once you tap this, then you can now create a report. So you just have to wait for this. And then after that, what you want to do next is to just simply click include and then select your product. Let's just say your problem is all about your marketplace, it's not loading. So here is the last thing. You just have to describe the issue. Then you can tell them, hello, I'm having issues with my marketplace, it's not loading. And you can also attach files or photos here as a proof. And then you just have to wait for a couple of days for them to respond or to help you with this issue. Okay, so all you have to do is just send submit or send report, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.